Just for Guns Coast to Coast, another excavator moment video. Came across an interesting story. Out of Carbon County, Pennsylvania, and it's called Carbon County. Years ago, it was named that after coal. So keeping that in mind. So there's a company that wants to basically open up, I guess, like a data center. They call it a Bitcoin mine, and it's all full of computer terminals and things, and servers. And the idea is to just work the internet and get bitcoins, out of the ether, which is, I guess it's a thing. Somebody spend, millions of dollars building this freaking thing to collect bitcoins. That's not the interesting part of the story, though. The interesting thing is that data centers require huge amounts of electricity. So the real question is, where does all the electricity come from? And that's kind of the rub. If you're in Carbon County, which we all know is scratch the ground and it's a big block of coal, but they have a way to burn car tires clean enough to not get thrown in, I don't know, save the earth hell. And they can do that. They can come up with burning tires cleanly, but you can't burn the coal. Now, I don't know if anybody's ever seen a car tire burn. They do not burn clean. They smoke like hell. They smoke like hell. It's black, real nasty soot. Gets all over everything, stays on everything. You see I don't know, it's a terrible thing. But they can burn that clean enough to make electricity. But they're shutting all the coal power plants down in Pennsylvania. So that's my thought for today.